From the highest of heavens he descended to seek the ones for whom he was intended. But where were they found? Was it not in the valleys and hills that sinners mound? They were soiled and spotted, wrinkled with weariness and in bonds allotted. His arrival was wrought by a cry. The bride of his glory uttered a mournful sigh. And in the torments of an undelivered womb, his seed lay silent in the stillness of a tomb. And to him, it was the sound of beauty. Ascending from the depths arose the cry to a bridegroom's duty. And with the strength of his might, behold, he worked a wondrous sight. The woman who knew no one gave birth to a son, who speaks with the voice of the lion. To all who dwell on the earth, oh, hear the sound of beauty roaring from Mount Zion. Yes. I'm going to do for you. It's called Out of Adam. It's based on the creation of Eve. Again, it's in keeping with the theme of the night, love. It speaks about, again, Christ's love for the bride. So although it speaks about, this is the speaker in the poem is Adam. It's speaking now to Eve when he first sees Eve. But on another level, it also speaks of Christ and how Christ speaks to his church, the love he has for his church. So it's in the form and style of the book of the Song of Songs. So when you listen to it, think of the book of Song of Songs. Yes. So, okay. Out of Adam. What word can I use to describe the tender feeling that welled up in my heart when first my eyes your beauty caught? To what can I compare the joy your presence brought? Is it as much as the joy of spring, when singing birds bud in bounty and merriment with it bring? In the warmth of the gentle sun, flowers may bask in sheer delight, and their colourful petals may be a pleasurable sight. But the joy I feel surpasses all of these things. It flows from beyond, from that which is divine. For whilst in deepest sleep, the Lord formed this vision of love. Lo, an image of perfection came forth, and around one of these bones of mine, it was made to stand, clothed in earthly cloth. Wow. Yeah. Thus, woman shall be your name. Cause for the glory of man you came, and do not share the form of nature's beast, but having kept yourself preserved, none nakedness exposes your shame. It was in the bed of your husband you reserved the joy in which your soul shall feast. For this reason, I shall reach out to you and draw you near. As one, we shall toil upon the earth, that the fruit of your womb may be of holy birth. Thereafter, the Lord shall dry every painful tear, and to this covenant of love I vow to be true. Wow.